Hi everyone, it's Rose here and you are watching House of Chai. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this easy gnocchi recipe. If you guys are interested how I'm able to make this, make sure to keep on watching. To start cooking, I'm gonna share with you guys one of my morning routines. This actually happened while I'm on my way to work.
Morning.
That was actually my neighbor. He wished me good morning. He was cleaning his driveway and he saw me walking, so he just wished me. It's very nice of him, right? At least he's wishing his neighbor. So depending how fast I walk, sometimes it takes 3 to 5 minutes before I get into the bus stop. Oh shoot, that's my bus. I missed it. Now I will have to wait another 7 to 10 minutes before the next bus comes. Sometimes the bus comes faster than that, but I doubt it today because of the weather. There's so much snow on the road. Now I reached the intersection where I have to cross. I'm just waiting for the lights to change and so I can cross the road. Look how much snow we have today. You know what, guys? The weather is not that cold though. It's just we're having so much snow today, but I don't feel that cold. I'm at the bus stop now and this is the house in front of it. Look how much snow they have in the front yard. I was able to come to work safely. However, I was late. Well, everyone was late that morning because of the snow. And when I got home from work, this is what I found in the kitchen. My fiance was coming from Florida, and like I said in my previous video, tomatoes are very expensive. So what he did, he got us 2 boxes of tomatoes so that we can save some money. So he actually paid $20 US for 1 box of tomatoes. It's actually not bad for $20. I can't wait to use them for his favorite tomato chutney. These are actually good because it came straight from the farm, so they are fresh. Guys, look how fresh these tomatoes are. This box is actually 25 pounds, so it's really good. It's only for $20 US. How about in your place, guys? Are the tomatoes expensive or not that expensive? Let me know in the comments down below, and where do you guys normally buy your tomatoes and what kind of recipes are you guys using tomatoes for? We use a lot of tomatoes in the house because my fiance, he loves tomato chutney. That is one of his favorite food. And also whenever I'm cooking curries, I'm always using tomatoes. So this is gonna be good. At least we don't have to buy tomatoes for a week or two. Alright guys, let's start cooking the gnocchi recipe. Thank you so much for listening to me. So here are the ingredients that we're gonna be using for our recipe. So we have the potato gnocchi. We have the Parmesan cheese. Some butter. Green peas, as well as fresh thyme. I'm gonna be following Gordon Ramsay's gnocchi recipe. Are you guys excited? Let's start cooking. Let's start by cooking our gnocchi. So I just boiled some water with some coconut oil as well as some salt. Stir it from time to time so that it will stop from sticking at the bottom. You would know when your gnocchi is ready when they start floating on the water. At this point, the gnocchi is ready, so make sure you drain them properly and then we can start sauteing them with other ingredients. In a pan, let's heat up some oil. I'm using avocado oil for this recipe. We're going to be frying our gnocchi. Only for a little bit though. Make sure to mix them from time to time to avoid sticking on the pan. This recipe is actually inspired by Gordon Ramsay's. I watched one of his video on YouTube where he used an actual potatoes to make his gnocchi. For me, I'm not that expert, so I just bought the pre-made one. But for sure, in the future, I will learn how to make the gnocchi from scratch because that is healthier in that case. How about you guys? Have you made gnocchi before? Whenever I go out with my friends to eat outside, I always order either the gnocchi or some salmon and rice. But because we are still in lockdown, so I decided to make this gnocchi recipe for my dinner. And it's actually pretty easy, so when I saw it and I have all the ingredients at home, I decided to make it. I'm also craving for it anyway, so it's perfect. So I said, let's make this one. It's easy. And yep. So here I am making some gnocchi at home. Another ingredient that Gordon Ramsay used for this recipe was fresh thyme. Since we have some at home, I decided to add some in my gnocchi. So make sure mix it with your gnocchi while frying. It smells delicious and the fresh thyme will add some flavor to your gnocchi. Now we can add some butter. I'm not adding any salt in this recipe as the batter is already salted. Just before mixing it, make sure to add your fresh green peas. In a low heat, make sure to mix it until the butter is melted. Oh my god, it's my first time making this and it smells super delicious. I think next time I could add some garlic as well. It will add more flavor to it. Also, I'm thinking of adding some spinach. What do you guys think? Is that a good idea? Please comment down below if you think that's a good idea to add some. Gnocchi loves some fresh black pepper. Let's add some to it. There you go. Pepper in. Now let's give it a mix. I think the gnocchi is now ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments down below if you try. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to take care of yourself and I will see you guys in my next video.